Roseman's TV, your Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, the open beer, say yes, sports. I can say Musamano, say news, local and international. We could be at Tiamunia, Roseman's TV, because the cheese here on YouTube, see, and I say TikTok or Ansono, or my account and my mention was any moment, up a full video, so TV, not on YouTube. Roseman's TV, Roseman's Plus, hey, we a KG1.
All right, yamo akwaba Evamra Roseman's TV so na wo YouTube. Emra so say o say tenase na go kan si hu se moman mu de no ni se Ghana ha de no. Yedi hu enkomo ni ebekọ baba ya sports stadium over the weekend. Kumasi Asante Kotoko etene na mu hye 9 ema eye Dreams FC. Etie can back for the second time this season. Kotoko hye 9 in a single game. The tosumi no first one was against a Vision. And then your sounds was 9 against a Dreams FC. Na just room na yetimi edi eho enkomo tactically. Near when you call right Edema Kumasa Asante Kotoko ni anko yi amfa Makumasias bubu kwani din Dreams FC. And in modern bar Muhammad Kamara enso ebo edi ema bubu kwani din Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Ibidni nyina enso eho enkomo na uko YouTuber wo search Roseman's TV no subscribe na wetimi alike no share send e be ya ubo eye notification button no so eswa the new program bia tuma onso benya the first info no na wo so wetimi actual programs nyene no man so wetimi akoye the amount sounds na Roseman's Plus and so ewo YouTube all the social media platforms no wo kwa ubenya Roseman's TV any Roseman's Plus and so e ho bibia so no etimi aye kama pa na yentoa so na yentimi eni eye enkomori ya na chese yebeko screens ne so na yetimi edi enkomo about the game aitodwa Kumasi Baba Yara Sports Stadium abra Kumasi Asante Kotoko hye 9 amabubu kwani din ede eye Dreams FC entimi anti eye ekanum omote ekanum bako sorry omote ekanum bako ewo eye just ended Ghana Premier League match week 31 yebeko screens ne so na yetimi edi eho enkomodia. This is Kumasi Asante Kotoko wo share eye as usual their red jersey. Our mother say any bit me akwede mo na ye Dreams enso esha white green kitinkete enso sinse munti Dreams ebo from the left to right and Kotoko enso ebo e free eye right e de akọ left na netie ne say wo hwe eye Dreams FC ni Kumasi Asante Kotoko nyina by definition and identity two teams are on possession based side omu nyina ekura ball no ebo ema no eye fe na Dreams FC enable no ewo mo chira o mo try so be e de free hono makono. Dreams one team or possession based side when they have the ball what they try to do and it's the build up number say they from one kasa half with short passes abesene ediako. So the first phase they start with the goalkeeper or the center back exploit no more possessive ball abesene ediako. Now the weakness in say bubu kwani Dreams FC womo ediboni from machire hon abesene akọ ene say when you decide as an opponent in this situation Kumasi Asante Kotoko na say we air press or more high up the pitch. I no need Dreams FC first phase of a more build up e wo machire ho no o press o ma they are prone to errors e wo machire ho. They find it very difficult say o metinye yibo on the free chire ho ma dia besna ko being it short passes long passes and also diagonal passes ni now they find it difficult to do it and do it well and so for so ma they make errors e wo man kasa chiro in the first phase of a more build up na bra won so no wo call with a high pressing system into their match against a Heart of Lions, they make such mistakes. Emma a Lions a punish on that. Eshe wonum. Sounds like against a team and day at the Nations FC. Those mistakes were repeated, but in those games, when the mistakes happen, enyo mutiri edidim wabra born entime enter them, but they lose possession to the Oye opposition. The Kumasi Asante Kotoko ehunu say their strength and it's a born babidi or mono possession in the first phase of a build up. On the free Chirabesna Kono, Kotoko decided say omobe press some high up the pitch. Into the first 15 minutes, now no question Baba Yara Sports Stadium no. It was all about Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Now all born in a creative chances. It was virtually half a pitch and Kumasi Asante Kotoko. One airball against Ibubu Kwanidin at the Dreams FC. So they press Dreams FC high up the pitch. Now Kotoko last line of defense no ejina the center line. Anom press Dreams FC. So matwasha also in common terms. Anom some beji ball no enso it media flow munsem. So Dreams in your screen and also on your screen. And now when say we crab ball now all clear the free chiro on media besnako. Now Kumasi Asante Kotoko as many as 6 players on press Dreams FC Bubuku e wo Mankasa chiro around the 18-yard box and I say they go a penalty area. In Sawisha e Kwampuku na LED press no behind Kwampuku e Babaya na Babaya left side no e Abrante Dini Patrick Asiedu. Patrick Asiedu is a left back for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. But the presence of a Samba O'Neil, Kumasi Asante Kotoko midfield and that line is in Liberty so be joining the attack. And mama that three Benkuma fans one we call the other part of Kumasi Asante Kotoko players now. Far left, you would decay Albert Amwa, followed by a Baba Branch and Dane at the Dauda. Even the follow and some other Benya in team menu. So this is Mena Kumasi Asante Kotoko, a committee here in Dream Safety for half or more press some higher the pitcher. I am the striker, Baye Kwampuku, and a lady press. Tinyo Kumasi Asante Kotoko, all pressing Dream Safety high up the pitch, high pressing, and no more etinye initiative. Woman has a new bit me akuyi and so they are more. When to see able play, now yet in the home commonia has said Dream Safety, Mena Kumasi Asante Kotoko, a press omno, or clearance no etimi equoy, and the clearance came, but I had there say, I'm going to do baby, and I say a branch and a day at the AM. Samba etimi epeke ball wa bra na ablo intercepted the pass na etimi eba ye no na kokodi Samba hon Samba 20 menu back to Samba and a Samba de ball na every AM Abrante ne dey Patrick Asiedu e the left side na yeni nkoma e wo hanom se team SCT deeper e very difficult to break them down. So when you try to break them down, one of the way how do we break them down? No, the space is that last line of defense no echi. In social screens now, you say Patrick Asiedu enya ball no. Kwampuku running into space over the left side of a Dreams FC. One line on metimi ato no. Now social screens in this one space no at the left side. Patrick Asiedu able pass no ediakono. The intelligence of the pass are born 18-yard box and you give it to a young Brandon and Patrick Asiedu because baby we to the bar line no a thin line and a domuntem. So the pass now air corner say one making sure with the pass no say the power behind the pass anya accurate anya perfect. A Brandon and Kwampuku and running through that space no na bono actually be go kick at the Amabubu and the Dreams FC. So you give it to a young Patrick. So with me any that technique no right in terms of the power behind the passer bon koto honoma the run the Kwampuku so the meaty ball at the right spotter one also etimi efa ball so near yamu e wo honoma say the space no one of the way team SAT deeper with me efa so also etimi e the punish and say open them up now we create scoring opportunities at the Emma with team now so we so honoma you 2 players almost red towel. Na sa 2 players na e share red tower ni mu no Albert Amwa ene Dauda ene share red tower ni say ne di nkoma na wo share the penalty area na almost 3 players be e wo circle mu na sa 3 players na Dreams FC defenders enti say wo share box nim ene ba bia ball no eda na 3 against 3 na 3 against 3 no enam say Kwampuku e the left side e wase ha no wono afa baako enti aka Dreams for mienu e wo soro na against Kumasi Asante Kotoko strikers mienu a wo mo so air crash box no enti nay on your screen bibia NC ni NC and say ball no e go into space say ball no e go into space dia ene na man marking enso so e betimi aye adwuma e wo ha enti see e mo play na yetimi edi the next phase no enwo enkomodia Emma pass na ekoye ni yenhwe ni ebesi ewe the 18-yard box nim. This is it. Into the pass ewe hanom e dia mamia. Ansa na ye ba beduru hanom no me ma wo ehui. Say Albert Amwa any Dauda and air crash box no. Na so mo air crash ya. Se bon we etimi atante ma. Look at the 2 defenders na ewe so hanom. Omo concentration and omo focus nyina. Ewo ba bia ball no every area ba forgotten and answer forgetting say there are 2 Kumasi Asante Kotoko players are one air crash box and so if Kumasi Asante Kotoko players mienu air crash box na the 2 defenders any business if you so full concentration and vision eboko ba bia ball no every area ba why am I saying that so we say the angle ball na akwakodia ayi share say wetimi across to the first pole. So the technique Kwampuku be boss on the first pole very difficult so beat me asha ayi from the first pole. We are at the free one man aye across to the first pole now. There is a defender Yaro and walk close to Kwampuku down. Into that position na kwa mpoko do a ball no eda hono no the only way out any say obe cut back obe ball no enso dia benefit nti say wo ball no dia benefit dia it is the duty and the responsibilities of a Dreams FC two defenders no say omo ebe close down eye Abet Amwa any Dauda nanso pen ye ne nkoma a ye di no e kire say omo focus and omo concentration nyina ewo baabi a ball no afiri edi eba abra omo ru afi omo ho no man hwe baabi a ball no ebeba abeto enti a pass no afiri left na eba enedi in no man's land a omo no the environment na omo ewo no omo ni baabi omo because if they know where they are organization vision and concentration ewo sanketimi eyi adwuma ewo yesa two defenders name emo omo hu say environment no ewo mu no the two Kumasi Asante Kotoko strikers are one crash box no so if we give them that space ometia punish a Dreams FC their reading and understanding of that situation and judgment the decision making was wrong was that situation him emasi ebo player ma kwa mpoku ebo pass no ade eba na so cut it back ade eba ye no na ya dey say Dreams FC two defenders ni nyina ewura the 18-yard box na just space ede ma kwa mpoku Kwampoku enso da o ma se o de ball no enso etimi ede eto atenem ewo eyesa instant no anase that situation eno etimi esia ye ne enso etimi ede hu nkomo so this is how Kumasi Asante Kotoko efa so ehye first goal pressing Dreams FC high up the pitch forcing Dreams to make mistakes in terms of omo build up nima Kotoko ewini ewo the final third of a Dreams FC here lack of concentration awareness any organization and let's say a Dreams FC down one consider first goal da kwesiada e Kumasi Baba Yara Sports Stadium na enye nwanwa due to say the first half no and as the first 15 minutes no Kumasi Asante Kotoko creating scoring chances na omo ayi enso esturu to and what me save some of the chances ni bia na Kumasi Asante Kotoko strikers enso squander most of them but in this situation any enye wo ehwe Abet etimi eputu the ball at the back of the net Kumasi Asante Kotoko enya the first goal and so at the every ASR situation no and so emuna quickly after say obebo play ni etimi ato nkomodie no so Dreams FC enya enana so consider first goal no na bobe poso hanoma de mame emra Dreams FC ebe game nim no penye ye hui any how Kumasi Asante Kotoko na pressure mo higher the pitch no enti ase no any say Dreams realizing who say when they open up be consider a lot ain't not the game plan and say sitting deep low block no frustrating Kumasi Asante Kotoko now when opportunity presents itself in terms of counter attacker one etimi counter Kumasi Asante Kotoko now one enso etimi ashe go but that plan any the game a plan of edi remu no materialize in the first 15 minutes one consider the first goal in the early stages of the game and no effort so everything every season one way of a build up and as the game planner one more enso etimi edi area game ni mean after say Dreams FC consider the first goal no they decided say omo ebe open up omo be biem na omo ni Kumasi Asante Kotoko enso etimi abonti ebo player when yeshe eye nkomodie na se meka ade kire say Dreams team by identity and be poso identity and Dreams FC one identity eno actually say the team omo etimi ekra ball so eno hu say after some consider here no they progress the ball using the right side of a Dreams FC. One attack now. They open up Kumasi Asante Kotoko defense now. The first chance of the game. Now, Emma Dreams momentum no ebedi wa mo. It was Mohamed Kamara, Mo Kamara against a Dreams FC. The reason why I make us say it was Mo Kamara against a Dreams FC, and say when a momentum no associate ebedi Dreams one man, no a detective play, no a process, a dominating no. Now the chances were coming in the side of a Dreams FC here. No more 18 creating all the chances. Na creation no ebano. It was Mohamed Kamara and the Sebu Kumasi Asante Kotoko. In so we show screen as well. Mayano a more saves into your continuous a saves sir. A Benton name Mohamed Kamara. 18 Sebu edit Twitter edit Buboko the ding at the Kumasi Asante Kotoko. First half no bana no na Kotoko LED and the second half no Dreams every pulling one back. But in the first half Kumasi Asante Kotoko consider na Mohamed Kamara Modimbo on the day and Kumasi Asante Kotoko in the first half and after some consider first goal no now omo enso so 8 me and I said omo consider immediately say omo ekoko share the first goal no and so a player. This is the first chance of the game, a point blank save. And the Muhammad Kamara, it's a also Mami. And the Muhammad Kamara, it's me. You look at the number of Asante Kotoko players, not a 18-yard box in him, and ahead the distance, the proximity. But they are short, striker, it's me taking here, and maybe no more, it's me. He was able to save it now. Near more, point blank save. And so goalkeeper beat me higher point blank save. No, you have to be a goalkeeper who have flexibility. Now sounds what agility. Now what I share the flexibility of a year Brandon in Muhammad Kamara. Young man about because henny stature. We goalkeeper over here pa. Not a year goalkeepers in a normal form call a so fast and quick. But a Muhammad Kamara. And was save a year born. He was able to quickly sorry every form essence a close to a the rebound no the player na obo rebound no where the goal area no we sounds it me a close in down making it difficult say player na bit me the ball and so it me e dey ato atenem and with how a more Kamara on the day esi e down the goal no was splendid superb e dey mabubu kwa ne den e dey Kumasi Asante Kotoko a momentum no be di no the first save no with me etwitwa e dey Kumasi Asante Kotoko nti we play na yet me ato so e the other e saves no and so enkobo so the first point blank saver Brandon in Muhammad Kamara it me a save you know and na ye no and so it me dey this is the second point blank saver with me na obeko achi no with me apo so e ho no obeko achi kra na yet me edi ho enkomo ho no dia the first point blank save this is not the one I made ehwehwe obeko achi good obebo play no e wo ha manenko na yet me eni ho nko wo de manenko na yet me edi ho enkomo manenko. This is the first point blank save. This is the second one post waha good. Share number of Kumasi Asante Kotoko strikers are the goal area. And you can count as many as 3. And the Muhammad Kamara nim. Na nipa wajina Muhammad Kamara nimu ye. Eman ye very difficult. Now we see the vision and him say obehu the clear picture but you bought every by Albert Amwa. But in this situation it was a set piece. And a Dreams FC a ball born at the by and a Dreams ball born anywhere the 18-yard box in the Yaro were able to connect with the ball about that shot. And to see a ball player, just look at how a more Kamara in the midst of a young defender say Kumasi Asante Kotoko a go area more were able to save that shot for Bubu Kwanitin at the Kumasi Asante Kotoko. And this is the last chance. Brantiano is also a teacher at the Bubu Kwanitin at the Kumasi Asante Kotoko. After 7 Kotoko, the first goal, no momentum turned, and they made the Dreams for Horma. In all, Brandon in Muhammad Kamara, it's me Ejina and now so if you try Eddie Bubu Kwanitin at the Kumasi Asante Kotoko. The match in Benaviano, it was a 4 goals to 1, and a Kotoko. And so it's me Eshe Bubu Kwanitin at the Dreams. So this is how Kotoko. Efforts Dreams na wenya goals no edi every one more men you might me echo ye dear mom na wo she Kumasi Asante Kotoko third and the fourth goal the second third and the fourth goal it was counter attacking football and Kumasi Asante Kotoko edi eshe the second third and fourth goal men you might me echo ye now here the second goal and the third goal it has some similarities in and it's a if Kotoko po nim abano wo defend to set ball na kokota atenem no 15 seconds and a ball no etimi edie the third goal from Kotoko goal area to the opposition net ni mu no and so take 15 seconds and etimi the ball no and so etimi the to atenem and you can say adese Kumasi Asante Kotoko na no kwasi ada wo Kumasi Babara Sports Stadium no wo etimi enkunim die na adese they worked for it na Dreams enwuni ho as because moments in the game ever be die omoroma na they could have equaled and as a score more than one na but the brilliance of a year Brandon Idin Eddie Muhammad Kamara, the brilliance in terms of saves, and a teacher Eddie Jibubu Kwanidin Eddie Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Inti ha, and then you may Ghana Premier League match I fa and obedi home common the tactical aspect no yet nina and so a bit me EDSC. My renfi say obe subscribe and also be search Rules Men's TV, any Rules Men's Plus. Ewo YouTube no one subscribe send ye be ya the program be atuma won so obetimi enye bia hwe na subscribe ya the notification button no obeboso send ye be ya ye the tuma e be alert o and as be draw attention say Rules Men's TV and as Rules Men's Plus e the program e the ato channel TikTok on so no obenya ye enso etimi ahwe